Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Today we have this gorgeous Volkswagen Tiguan R in the best colour, the blue. Lovely car. Obviously it's the 2 litre petrol, 320 brake horsepower. Four-pot exhaust, top of the range spec. The car is lovely and straight, lovely and clean. Only covered 19,500 miles. It's a January 23 model. The car has had its first service, and at point of sale will get its second service from a Volkswagen main dealer with a full inspection check for the next new owner. Obviously it has Volkswagen warranty till January 26. The car's not even 2 years old yet. The private plate doesn't come with the car. Sits on lovely unmarked 21-inch alloy wheels with the blue calipers with the R logo. It's also been fitted with these centre caps which don't spin when the wheel's turning. Which looks really smart. Automatic boot. It's got the boot cover in there as well. First aid and triangle and everything. And that's all the tyre stuff, locking wheel nut in there. It's one owner, which was myself. I have fitted the body kit. As you can see, it's got a rear diffuser, which is not standard. The side skirts, as you can see, bought from Germany, Maxton Design. And it's also got the front splitter, which just makes the car look a lot more aggressive. Really nice. Just let you look at these two wheels. Obviously our logo on the wheels as well. Well looked after car by myself, as I always do. It's got the blue stitching on all the door cards, blue piping on the seats, full leather seats of course. Rear controls as well. Into the cockpit. It's got this lovely carbon effect on the doors. Obviously all this amber lighting as well, which changes a colour whichever mode you're in. I always keep it in the blue mode, which is the sport. Obviously electric seats, memory seats front on both front seats. They are stitching into the seats. Into the cab, nice big touch screen, has everything that you need. Obviously go to the car. It's got off-road information, sport information. There's stacks and stacks on this screen. Obviously dual climate control, aircon, USBs down there. Obviously it's an automatic 4Motion DSG box. It's got your auto hold, and you've got your driving modes there, 4 driving modes. As you change this, the colour of the car changes. Cup holders, full digital dash, which can be changed. You can put your own dash on. There's just too much to a list of what this car's got. Steering controls, most important one, R, straight into R. Exhaust note changes, suspension changes, and obviously the speed. Lovely steering wheel, a lever with the blue stitching, really easy to control. There we have it, a Volkswagen Tiguan R, January 23 on the 72 plate. Really nice car, just over 19,000 miles. Will go up slightly, as I will tend to use it from time to time until the car's sold. I mean, who wouldn't use it? Up for sale today at Benmark's, 39,995. Thanks for watching.